In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with clipping using WHOP. Now, this should be a quick and easy process. All you need to do is to sign up to WHOP, then click on this Discover button that's located at the left. And then right here, you can find the Content Rewards tab. Just make sure you scroll down until you find it. You can see here autopilot clips. You can see also wrap clips. You can choose whatever one you want. As you can see here, people are getting paid to make clips. It is free to join. You will have a join button at the bottom. I already joined, so when you do that, just click on open WAP and you will be redirected to this page, which is the autopilot clips page. You can scroll down, then you go ahead to the left if you want to start. Here you can see the reviews. Just go to the left, then click on start earning. So when you click on this, you will find the tutorial how to do this and how much you are going to earn. So as you can see here, this is the content rewards tab. You can see that for every 1,000 views, you will get $2. If you want to submit the clips, just click on submit. And you can also read here the requirements of the clip, how it must be. When you're done clipping, just post the TikTok link and post the video you have created. Let's go ahead and see where are the videos. You can find them here. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.